Well, all your brakes are up in the front. Hey guys, we are at Gearhead today. I am installing coilovers today, finally. But, you know, Tim's here too with his 4Runner here. And he's got some brake and hub stuff that he's doing. Mainly his left or driver's side rear. This thing is nasty. Look at all that gunk. Tim, what'd you do?
Bro, this is what happens when you don't have a diff breather and all that pressure builds up and then it just blows the seal right here. But look at this, dude. Like, look at that.
Let's get closer. Let me see your hands. Let me see those dirty hands.
Yeah.
Damn.
Dude. That's crazy.
Alright, so Tim's gonna be fixing that and changing his rotors and pads. Like I said, I got some coilovers. I will show you guys those in a minute. But dang, this car always looks good. This 4Runner, definitely a good car. All right, Tim, you just took the caliper off.
Yeah, check this out. That's, bruh. Wow.
It's just a mix of grease and dirt, man.
Yeah.
And brake dust. Yep. All right, guys. So, lo and behold, these are the coilovers I got. Now, you may think that every Z guy has these coilovers here. However, I got a small sponsorship with a company called Redshift Motorsports, and what they do is they take BCs, and they're affiliated with BC, if my information is correct. And the guy, Chris, thank you, Chris, revalves them, so they become a lot better ride quality and a lot better for the track. So we're gonna put this on, gonna try and lower the car half an inch, and we'll go from there. And hopefully I get to test them in a week or so before New Jersey. But yeah, oh, by the way, New Jersey. At the end of August is the SCCA National New Jersey Motorsports Time Trial. Me and Tim will be there, so will our friend Brian. So make sure to stay tuned. I'll be recording that process because that's gonna be a long drive, a fun track, and it's gonna be lightning. So let's get to this and we will see if we can get the ride heights situated. All right, guys, so here it is. Here is the coilover set. So I got a divorce setup because I don't really want to, without the car being strengthened. I mean, some people argue that you can go true rears on the Z. That's fine. I'm just gonna do how it is set up OEM. And I've been doing my research. It's not that hard to change this. You use these for the height, and then you adjust your rear shocks so you're not overextending your shocks. So we'll get to this. I just gotta take apart the car now, and we'll get there.
I just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I am strong. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really,
What's up, guys? So you can see there's a missing shock. I've got the Konis out, and now what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to adjust this off the car, kind of match up the shock length to the hole, so top to bottom, or to the hole at least, and then yeah, we'll be set. I'm not really looking to lower it immediately, but no, and I am aiming for that 0.5 inch difference, but I just have to, I'm gonna do this first, measure the top of the fender well, and then can adjust afterwards, but I want to get all these in first. What up guys? So first one is done. Here's a little cute quick overview. Shock is in. I just took the lower control arm off by taking the ball joint out, the lower shock bolt, and the sway bar bolt. Just in. I'm gonna do the same with the other one. I'm not gonna change the bushings today. They don't look too bad. They're not rotting or anything, but definitely a thing to do for next year. So we're gonna move on to the second one over here, and then the rear is gonna be kind of simple and also kind of hard because I got to take off. I'll just show you. I'll show you the process. Yo, update time. So as you saw, we got this one done. I just need to finish the top bolts. Everything else, the what's it called? Shock nut, the sway bar, and the ball joint are all in with cotter pin here. Same with this side. I got that cotter pin. These are spaced from the top of this collar to the bottom of this collar is 12 millimeters. Not millimeters, centimeters. But yeah, they're the same on each side. They look about level. I'm going to hold up. I'm gonna do the rears, see if I can get this done real quick, and then for any height adjustments, we'll get to that later. But I'm gonna try to finish the rears real quick, and then we'll get to it. Yo guys, so I got the springs in and the shocks in. I haven't done any alignment or height adjustments yet. The bolt down here needs to be done after I preload the spring, but what we're going to do here is, where's that rubber thing? Well, anyways, so this needs to have some exposed metal here, but I saw this on Colette Davis's, or whoever, whatever her name is, NMLZ's girlfriend. What they did was they brought this back up a little bit, cut it, and they could slide it back down. I'll show you guys that really quickly. I gotta find the other rubber thing, but that's why I have safety glasses right now. I honestly, oh, it should be in here. So yeah, so this rubber here, gonna go over the steel if I can get it. I actually don't need to drill this, the holes are just big enough, and I'll slide that in, but put you guys right here. Hopefully you guys don't fall off. Safety glasses, probably not the best way of doing this. Yeah, it's over there. Now we slide that down. Then we could put this right there. That's how we do it. Alright, got all the shocks on, did all the knickknacks in the back, and this is what she looks like. So obviously we got some wheel gap, but so what I've done is I wrote what the OEM spec is here, what I want, and what the current is. I got to measure those. And same with the fronts and the other sides. So let's get to measuring.
Really, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle.
Hey guys, so I didn't change the rears because they're actually like 0.6, 0.7 inches from stock, so I kept it like this. This looks fine for me. The fronts, however, were an inch or like 32 millimeters too high. So I dropped it there. Looks good on that side. And on this side, it's a little lower, I think. So I gotta fix that. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it, but no biggie right now. I'll fix it over the next few days. Just ran out of time. But yeah, so it looks good. It's Russian.